This entire curry comes together in one pot, and what's not to love about that? Hi, I'm Kanchan. We're gonna make an easy yet delicious chicken curry. People feel like to enjoy spices, they have to cook a curry or a very involved recipe. Instead of plain rice, I love adding a touch of spice to rice with cinnamon and cardamom. They add flavor and a wonderful aroma. We remove the cardamom before we serve the rice. I mean, if you're hardcore, you can bite into it. It's very peppery, minty, and almost floral. It's really amazing, but I have bitten into one as a kid and I was like, what is that? Growing up in India, I ate this chicken curry all the time at my grandma's house. I wanted to create a chicken curry without compromising on flavor or texture or any of that, to make it more approachable for a busy home cook who wants to whip this up on a weeknight as dinner for the whole family. So there's just a host of spices to still give you that complexity, but I might omit the cayenne pepper for my kids. I'm always thinking about a few things when I'm feeding my family. I want to raise adventurous eaters, so I'm always thinking, how can I pack flavor? How can I expand their palates? Exposure is key when it comes to kids. They say it takes exposures to a food, and a visual exposure counts, so even putting it on a plate, if it doesn't get touched, is an exposure. So just keep exposing them and keep celebrating, and they will catch on. I'm also trying to nourish them, so how can I make this healthy and nutritious? I did my PhD in biomedical sciences at Harvard Medical School, and my lab started to study spices in cancer, and that got me really thinking about how all this ancient wisdom around spices is now being validated by modern medicine. So one of the reasons I love this chicken curry is because it incorporates so many flavor-packed and beneficial spices. The turmeric, the cumin, the coriander, all of these boost digestion. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. They are antioxidants. There's really a host of benefits. So the fact that I can put on the table this delicious curry that's also packed with benefits and color and flavor is just a really rewarding and fulfilling experience for me as a mom.
Oh, yes!